Hello and welcome to BNS Nature Ways. One of the most common issues we face today in terms of health is managing our weight. No matter how hard we try to control it, it fluctuates, sending our overall well-being for a toss. The method behind traditional Chinese acupressure is to place firm pressure on several points of our body to ease medical conditions. Many people have used acupressure for weight loss by finding points on the body that can relieve pressure on the digestive system. Learning how to use acupressure for weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and exercise can help you reach your fitness goals. Acupressure has proved itself once again in giving the best relief. The major exhaustion in today's world is weight loss. Many people get depressed and feel immense stressed due to this reason. Lingering in the mind always but not bearing any results, the stress to lose weight is increasing day by day. But acupressure works like magic. No more stressful nights or painful workouts. Apply little pressure on the special energy meridian points on the body which expel excess heat and moisture, giving an improved circulation to lose weight. It also strengthens our digestive system that will help us control our appetite. Stress can worsen eating disorders. Reducing stress is also something you can do with the help of acupressure points. By paying little attention to your food and practicing acupressure on a daily basis, you will yield the best results. Practicing the given techniques for half an hour every day can bring a change in your body. The following pressure points are the main ones for weight loss, which are essential for the body. You need to start by massaging these areas first and then apply pressure on these areas for the mentioned time. End it with another light massage on the same area. If you can find a particular point on one side of your body, you need to find the same pressure point and massage it on the other side. This will increase the possibilities to lose weight. The weight loss program is focused on self-massages that will help the digestive system function properly by decreasing food cravings, obtaining a balanced appetite, and increasing body awareness. The first point is the abdomen point. This pressure point is found exactly 3 centimeters below the belly button. This point enhances the function of the digestive system and gives your body strength. It also reduces constipation. This point is very effective to lose weight. Place 2 of your fingers on it and massage by moving your fingers up and down. Then press this point for at least 2 minutes twice a day. The point is REN6 shown in the picture. The next point is abdominal sorrow point. Right in line with the earlobe near the end of the rib cage, you will find the abdominal sorrow point. Usually located under the last rib, this pressure point relieves you from any kind of indigestion, ulcers, rib pain, and appetite imbalances. Curve your fingers and press this point for 5 minutes every day. The next point is ear point. The pressure point located in your ear helps to control appetite. You need to place your finger against the jaw and move your jaw up and down. Find the point that has most of the movement in your jaw and press it for a minute. The next point is knee point. This pressure point helps the stomach to function properly by improving the digestion and nourishing the blood. It is found 2 inches below the kneecap on the outer side of the leg. Apply pressure on this point for 1 minute with your forefinger. When you flex your foot up and down, you can feel the muscle move under your finger. This is the right spot. Press this point for 2 minutes every day to notice the change in your body. The next point is elbow point. The large intestine point is found on the inner side of the elbow crease. It is located to the end. This point stimulates the function of the intestine by removing excess heat and unwanted moisture from the body. Press this point for a minute every day to see the results. Use your thumb to apply enough pressure on this point. The next point is ankle point. This pressure point works well for the spleen. It helps to strengthen your digestive system. The pressure point is found on the inner side of the leg 2 inches above your ankle. It is just off the bone. Press this regularly for the better functioning of the digestive system. Apply pressure for a minute with your thumb or knuckle and release slowly. By using the above techniques, one can release the flow of energy through all the organs, especially affecting the functions of spleen, meridians, and the stomach. The energy that flows helps in balancing the digestive system, compulsive urges to eat, and appetite. The simple points you access in your body can play a vital role in your weight loss planning. Acupressure is great for healing and repairing the body cells that help in restoring the body functions. It increases your awareness of the body and helps you tackle every disturbance with ease. By learning the various techniques, one can treat oneself with wisdom. Acupressure is gaining fame in the recent days as many people are able to access their physical and mental problems with it. Treating many diseases and reducing stress, acupressure has become most accessible treatment in the world. Try to use these techniques and lose weight naturally. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you a healthy life forever.